Okay, this is a guide on how to fix an iPad being disabled. First, what you need to do is you need to hold down the home button, because at this point in time the only thing you can do, since it's disabled, is one of two things. Either hook it up to your computer you originally synced with your iTunes. If you don't have that, then you have to set it down. You have to set it back to factory defaults. To do that, you have to put it in DFU mode. Hold down the home button and the power button. Okay, so now that that's all done, now you can go to your iTunes. It says there's a problem with the iPad that requires it to be blah blah blah. You want to make sure you hit restore, but you want to make sure that you understand that restore is going to set it to factory defaults. And then it's going to download in the upper right hand corner the newest iPad software. I had already had it because we do this for a living, so I already have all the software. So what you got to do is push the shift button down. Shift, this is not the easiest way to do this. Shift and then this. So that's going to pop up this. Hold down the shift button and then restore. In our case it's restore because we want to set it. We are in the iPad. That's where it is. iPad software. Restore. Now, as you can see, it's extracting the software. This is, as soon as this gets done extracting the software, so it is now waiting for the iPad. iPad is doing its thing. Now it's restoring the iPad software. And now, after about 10 minutes or so, or less than that actually, it comes up asking to set up as a new iPad. You. Alright, so, but as you can see, it is iCloud locked. So that means my customer will just have to enter her email address and password. No big deal. Thank you very much. That's my video on how to factory restore and get past the iPad as disabled screen.